Basics of Content Repurposing. Hi everyone, this is Tabitha from Define Marketing Podcast, bringing you today's quick marketing tip. The benefits of repurposing content. Repurposing extends the life of your content and it reaches a wider audience. It allows you to maximize the value of your content by presenting it in different formats. Some of these strategies are turning a blog post into a video, turning blog posts into engaging videos, and this can help you reach a different audience. Provide content that is more digestible. Create infographics from data-rich content because infographics are visually appealing and are super easy to share. And then social media posts. So share quotes and snippets from larger content. This can drive traffic back to your original content and increase engagement. A way to do the content repurposing is to do content mapping. So map out your content to identify the opportunities for repurposing. So look for evergreen content that can be repurposed and updated easily. And by evergreen, we are talking about things that don't change in your business. So for us, it is the staples of marketing. Things like social media, video marketing, content repurposing. Any of the blog posts that we put up or videos we put on these things would be classed as evergreen content. Because no matter what world we're in, being able to repurpose your content will save you time and engage different audiences in a different way. Cross-promotion. Promote your repurposed content across different channels because cross-promotion can increase your reach and drive more traffic to your content. And encourage your audience to engage with your repurposed content. Ask for feedback. Get suggestions for future content. Repurposing content maximizes your effort and broadens your reach. Experiment with turning your content into various formats and promoting it across your different channels. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tip. Stay tuned for more marketing insights from Define Marketing.